I built my first paying AI project in my second year of the college. I'm going to share the exact idea, timeline, pricing, and the client scripts and the lessons you can replicate to it. Stay till the end, and I'll also drop some outreach templates and the pricing PDFs in my Discord. So if you are a student in college and building some side hustles and building AI projects in sideways, then you can follow the subscribe button and turn notification on. Let's go. Let me remind, in my second year at NSUT, I was exploring the projects and coursework, and also I was thinking, how can I make the real money as a student? Everywhere I looked, and people around me is building projects, and some of them are building project and selling them, but only few of them are doing that thing. So while everyone around me in the final year preparing for the projects and getting placement, I was still building my startup, which is AI buzzbots. The problem I saw is students and solopreneur all are having data and small business, but they lack in-house AI expertise to build automations, predictions, and dashboards. I asked, can I pick a narrow niche and build a AI powered tool to sell in college itself? That became the idea. The AI dashboard and small AI powered tool. Something simple is like calculating the how much admission have taken into NSUT college, and something simple but sellable. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how I built MVPs and how I pitch the client and how I monetize it with the exact script I have used. First, let's map MPV roadmap, and I have broken it down into some phases. Phase number 1, core model and prototype. It will take you 1 to 2 weeks to build a model and understand it well. So I have created full PDF and I'll link it down into the description box. So phase number 1, as I said, core model and prototype. So choose a core problem. It could be a social media head count or predicting test scores, and then move out to collect minimal data set. It could be a public or scrapped or a small internal, and then move out to ML model, where you can build a interface, a decision tree, or logistical regression, and then move it out the minimal interface, where it could be flash dashboards or even a streamline. Then build a demo, where input which will be given, the output which is be obtained by using ML, and then simple visuals. Number 2, polish and wrap extra features, where you will be adding some UI UX and dashboards and filters and charts, and then error handling and data validations, where you will be moving to small onboarding usage guide and prepare some slides and demo videos for your first month. Third is pilot client and collect the feedback. Like in this, you will gather the first users who will gonna use your model, and collect the feedback and twill accordingly. Phase number 4, finalize and then deploy it. Deploy on cloud like AWS or Oracle, or polish UI performance and accessibility, prepare marketing materials like pitch and deck and landing pages, use some doc file. It will all took you to 4 to 5 weeks to execute the idea into deliverables. For me, I took 3 weeks because I am already having some idea and timelines and experience in tools and coding. Let me show you how exactly I reach out to my first client. Getting my first client was the hardest, and I hinged down into everything, outreach and templates and timelines. But here is what I exactly used, and all the templates I have used. So step number 1, you can modify according to yourself. So I use LinkedIn, university and startups and relevant niche. It's like having so much ad tech companies in Delhi. So I have reached out with these templates. I will link it down in the description, or it's showing here. So find decision makers, and it could be a founders or co-founders, entrepreneurs. Gather their name, email or LinkedIn, where you will be sending a message to outreach to them. So step number 2, cold outreach template. I am linking down here or in the description box. You can copy it and you can modify it accordingly, and the follow-up template as well. Then step number 4 is demo day pitch, walk them through problems and solutions and how they can use it, how can will they will be using your model and how it can be beneficial for them. And then show the data and the results and ask them how much value it can add to your monthly income, and ask them about pricing and the next steps. I sent 20 of these messages and DMs and one or two mails to and get responses from three, and I have converted one into paid pilot. Your conversation depends upon your niche, customization, and how well you personalize. Let's move out to the pricing, negotiation, and the lesson I have learned. How I priced it. So for my first client, I have charged around 5,000 to 10,000, and for the full version, I charged obviously more, and that added a value in my life. And then I moved out to, and I have also provided them a retailer model like monthly support or data refresh, something like they which can add value to my things. So negotiation tips: always ask what's your budget, and then always start higher than your floor. Ask them what do you need, and send them testimonials and show them how this can add value into their income. Key lessons I learned: personalize your niche and what will you provide, build a trust, build first MPVs, then promise, then what will be you providing. And key lessons I learned: so I never underprice, simplify your MPVs, so show them your real metrics, build trust, and don't over promise that I'll provide you this. Just make it simple as much as you can. In my first project, I have built testimonials and showed them and charged them 5,000, and now I am charging more than that. So this took me 3 months to follow all the things. So before I wrap up, hit the subscribe button to follow if you are into AI and data science and AI engineering, or you have started your entrepreneur journey. I will be sharing all the projects and all the clients I am getting and all the real insights with you all. So what will make you different? Small find your niche where you will be facing less competition. Don't like build modular code or automate delivery, deployment pipelines. Your build something more, like provide them free landing page or handle their data, something like this. And the mistakes I have made is I have over promised that I will providing this, I will do all the things, but don't over promise. Make it as simple as you can. And I was having that moment very poor communication. I was not able to communicate very clearly. So be clear, communicate properly. And advice for you is understand your niche and build it as micro as you can, because you will be starting small, and if you are having so much less competition, then you will be grow as fast as you can. So yeah, if this video helped you, follow me on Instagram aarti.pi, and this subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.